I've been vegan for over a decade now, and one thing I've learned along the way is how important it is to be intentional about where I get certain nutrients, especially omega-3s. Since I don't eat fish, I turn to plant-based sources, and some of the best ones are actually sitting in my pantry right now: hemp seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These tiny seeds pack a nutritional punch. I usually sprinkle them over salads and porridge, toss them into smoothies, or stir them into soups. But today I'm switching things up and making something a bit more snackable: crunchy, savory seed crackers made from just 3 ingredients. To start, I'm using a combination of ground flax, chia, and hemp seeds, 1 full cup. Grinding them helps unlock the nutrients and makes them easier to digest. I'm also adding a 1/4 cup each of whole chia seeds and shelled hemp seeds for a bit of texture and crunch. Put them all in a bowl with 3/4 cup of water, mix well and leave to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the chia and flax to soak up the liquid and form a gel-like consistency, which helps bind everything together without the need for any flour or eggs. If you want to customize the crackers a bit more, you can certainly add more ingredients for added flavor, such as pink salt, garlic powder, chili, or even nutritional yeast. Once the mixture is ready, place it on a sheet of baking paper. Lay another sheet over the top and roll it out evenly with a rolling pin. You want it nice and thin so the crackers bake up crispy. Peel off the top layer of paper and use a knife or pizza cutter to cut out your desired cracker shapes. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of alpha-linolenic acid, also known as ALA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid. They're also packed with fiber, which helps support digestion and keeps you feeling full. Chia seeds are not only high in omega-3s but also contain protein, calcium, and antioxidants. Thanks to their gel-forming ability, they can help support hydration and gut health. Hemp seeds bring a perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fats, along with complete protein and key minerals like magnesium and zinc. Transfer the crackers onto a lined baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Flip them over halfway through so they crisp up evenly on both sides. Once your crackers are done baking, let them cool off completely. They'll crisp up even more as they cool, and you'll be left with something that's nutrient-dense, satisfying, and with a lovely toasted flavor. Perfect on their own or served with hummus, guacamole, veggies, or your favorite dip. Nutritionally, just a tablespoon of ground flaxseed provides about 1.6 grams of ALA. Chia seeds give you around 5 grams of fiber per tablespoon, and hemp seeds add all 9 essential amino acids. So you're not just getting a snack, you're getting a well-rounded, functional food. Store them in an airtight container and they'll keep fresh for up to 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you're going to give these a try. Don't forget to subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!